Hello guys, welcome back. So best believe I have to check this out because for one, MONSTA X, I can't wait for their concert in February, but there's MONSTA X, ATEEZ, and Rain. I don't know. Okay, so I do know Brave Girls. I don't know their names. I've heard some of their music. And so like I don't really know them like I know MONSTA X, ATEEZ, MONSTA X and ATEEZ, and I know Rain. Like I wouldn't say I like know him like I know the other two. Like the other two groups, but like I know him. So anyways, I'm really excited. This is called Summer Taste. I am so excited for this. Okay, let's just get into it because I don't really know what to expect. Like Summer Taste, so like it's gonna be summer vibes, but like MONSTA X, ATEEZ, Rain. Oh my god, Brave Girls. Okay, let's get into it. Rain. If you guys don't already know, let me go ahead and like it. If you guys don't already know, Chungkyun, it looks like he hadn't cut his hair yet, but his hair looks so good after, like, whenever he posted it on, I know I'm getting off topic, but when he posted, like, hair chopped off on his Insta story, I was crying because I love his long hair, but his shorter hair looks really good, but it looks like it's still long in this video. But if you guys know me, Chungkyun, let's just say, all I have to say is Chungkyun. Just Chungkyun. Chungkyun. Ooh, Kyungwon. This is Rain. Just look at Chungkyun. Okay, I gotta stop. Oh, look at Shunyu. Okay, April, stop. Okay. Anyways, yeah, it's just okay. I'm sorry. Shunyu. That hamburger looks really good though. Is this like a promotion video for Pepsi? That's what it reminds me of. A promotion video for like Pepsi, because Pepsi product or Pepsi is everywhere. Yeah, I think this is a promotion video for Pepsi. They're so colorful, except for Rain. Rain's the only one like with a darker clothing on. Everybody's like Korea. This is really good. It's like fun. Yeah, this is definitely a promotion for Pepsi. Haha. His laugh. You know it's gonna go down. Ooh, Did they just pass from Hongjoong to Chungkyun, IM, which is known as IM? If you guys don't know, which you guys should know, but look at this man. Okay, and you know when Hongjoong has that, and you know something's about to go down. Okay. Just like Hongjoong has that IM has that and everything. Like, you guys know. If you know. Background vocals. Yeah, this is so, like, fun. Background vocals. Ooh, choreo. Okay. Ooh. Okay, yes. Rain. Ooh. Shown you, yes. Kyun. I hear Oh guys, I hear Hongjun. It looked like before. It looked like there's only certain, because I didn't see all the members. Only certain members from ATEEZ and what's it called MONSTA X. I don't know why I just blinked on their name. Is in here because I didn't see all the members. Woo! Background vocals. Yes. Yeah, it was for Pepsi. That's what I thought. But it looked like only Shonyu, Hyungwon, and Chungkyun was in from MONSTA X, and then you had Yoonho and Hongjun from ATEEZ. I don't think I saw anybody else. Whenever, let me make sure. I think it was just Hongjun and Yoonho. Where was? Because Yoonho came on right here. Yeah, I think it was just Yoonho and Hongjun from ATEEZ. I'm not sure what all I saw, but and then there was only like a couple more for BraveGirls that I saw too, and then Rain. So good. Such a I know it was a promotion song, but like it was so summer vibe because it's called Summer Days, but it was like such a vibey, like you could just keep going like this to it. It was awesome. Anyways, guys, if you like my reaction, like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video.